Okay, so Caleb got a cute little Lego set tonight. This set doesn't release till January 1st, but we found it in Kohl's, what is today, December 23rd.
Yes.
It's one of the new Creator 3-in-1 sets, the Typewriter with flowers. So he's going to build that. Probably won't talk anymore through the video, but he want to show you 3 options. So you've got here the Typewriter with flowers. What else you got?
A guitar with flowers.
Guitar on a stand with flowers and like a little sheet of music. Or you can build
A little flower pot and flowers and little pencils.
little flower pot. It's with ink pen and a notepad. So you've got those 3 choices there.
Those are cute.
363 pieces, set 31169. It releases January 1st. Which one are you building?
The typewriter.
Typewriter with flowers. And you've got 1 sheet of stickers here, but you choose. So you can see here on the sheet of stickers, it's got that piece of paper. You can choose to put once upon a time, every big idea starts small, or to rebuild or not to rebuild. So we'll see which one he chooses at the end.
Okay. They sound so cute.
It does, cute little build. So probably won't talk anymore. We'll just put music over it. Like this video. Subscribe. And leave a comment letting him know which one you would want to build.
Yep.